Welcome back to my channel English with Aradhna. Today's video session will be on tense. In short, I will let you know that how tense can be classified into 4 other kinds in a very easy way. I will teach you today. Now let's start the session. So tense. Tense is termed in English grammar to indicate time of the action or event. In any language, tense is divided into 3 mainly classes. Which are those 3 main classes? Present tense, past tense, future tense, which you all know already. But these 3 classes are classified to the other 4 forms. Let me tell you, the first one is simple. Simple. The next one is continuous. Continuous. The next one is perfect. And the next one is perfect continuous. So the 3 classes, that is present, past, future. These 3 classes are classified into these forms. Like present simple, that is also called as indefinite, present simple or simple present, right? Present continuous, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. So one tense is classified into 4 kinds. This you should remember. I repeat, present. In simple present tense, why do we use simple present tense, my dear children? Simple present tense is used to show the present action, right? Indefinite action, which is not definite. I speak English. He speaks English. She writes very beautifully. We like talking. They believe in God. I hope to see you again. So in all these sentences which I said, there are many indefinite things, right? And this for present tense, this is our first tense, which is classified into all these 4. Present tense is classified into all these 4 combinations: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. So simple present tense I have explained you. Next, present continuous tense, where you add ing form, where you use ing form to show that action is going on. In present continuous tense, look at the tense here. In present continuous tense, it is used to show what is really happening, what we can see. Now, I am talking, I am teaching, you are seeing what is really happening, right? I am teaching, the teacher is teaching English, the teacher is speaking. So, present continuous tense is used to denote what is really happening with ing form. I am writing a letter. She is writing a letter. She is reading a novel. He is watching a TV. Right? You are studying medicine. We are sitting in the garden. They are learning music. It is raining heavily. So, present continuous tense is used to denote the present action which is going on at the time of speaking, at the moment. Right? Very simple. simple present tense, present continuous tense, then next one. So these 4 you should remember and you should apply for present, past and future. This is the technique. This is the trick in English you should learn. If you combine all these things with the 3 main tenses, then definitely you will be the wonderful speaker, right? So you should combine with present, past and future. What you have to classify? These 3 are classified into 4 classifications. These 4 classifications, I repeat. Once again I repeat. You can repeat with me also right now in the video, telling that present simple, right? Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Clear? Very clear. Next, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. Next, simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. See, first you practice these and then you understand the meaning of these and the application of these classifications. If you know this, then you can easily speak. Tense is the soul of speaking, right? Tense and verb. These are very important, right? So, simple present tense, I speak English. Present continuous tense, I am speaking English. Present perfect tense, I have spoken English. Present perfect continuous tense, I have been speaking English. Right? How I have converted, look at once again, you listen to me. Present simple, I speak English. Present continuous, I am speaking English. Present perfect, I have spoken English. Present perfect continuous tense, I have been speaking English. My dear students, it is also important to learn verb simultaneously when you are learning tense. Verb is again classified into 3 main forms, right? Verb 1, 2, 3. What are these verb 1, 2, 3? These are the present form, right? Present form, verb 1 form. Past form, V2, speak, spoke, spoken, past participle. Speak, spoke, spoken. Present form, past participle. These are the 3 forms. You should know the verb forms also along with tense. For example, V1, fly, flew, flown. Fly, flew, flown.